Hello, today we're gonna draw this part. It's a handlebar, it's a bike part, and we're gonna use the sweep feature. So to use the sweep feature, basically we need the path and the profile. So for this case, the path is gonna be the shape that we see here, and the profile is the circle. How to know the profile is when we make a section of anywhere in this part, we're gonna see the same shape. So we're gonna find a circle. We're gonna see a circle. So this is the profile. It's a circle here who has a diameter of 25 millimeter. So let's start this. For the path, we're gonna divide it by two. It's like two paths. We will draw this part first, this one, and after we will draw the longitudinal part, who is perpendicular to the first path, and also has a length of 280, but we're gonna draw only half of the half, and after we use the mirror feature. So let's start. For this small part here, as we see, we're gonna start by choosing the plan. We're gonna start by the XY plan is better. Let's first set up the units. The unit here is millimeter. There we go. And let's go. So here we have a line of 35 connected to the circle of 45, of radius of 45, connected to another arc of radius of 250. This arc it's a circle. It's a circle who has a diameter of 500 here. So let's figure it out together how to do that. So we're gonna start by this line here, line of 35, 35, like that. And what else? We have here a curve of 45. It's a circle also of radius of 45, but here we don't have the locations of the center of this circle, which means the coordinates of those circles, we don't have them here. So we're gonna use the constraints. So let's draw this circle here anywhere you want, because after the constraint it's gonna fix. So diameter of 90, and to connect the circle to this point, it's like a coincidence. It's a coincidence. We're gonna use the coincidence constraint like this. And also there's a tangent here. Be tangent here. So we use the tangent between this and this, like that. There we go. That's the first curve. So for the second one, for this part here, we should first of all find the location of this point. It's like the limit of this arc here, because we don't have the coordinates of the center of this circle. We don't have the coordinate of center, so we're gonna use this point and some constraint too. So to find the coordinates of this point, we have here 70 by x-axis and going down by 150 in y-axis. So let's do it and draw in two lines. The first line is 70 and the second line is 150. After we will delete these two lines. It's just to find this point. We will need it because there is a coincidence between this arc and this point, so we will need it. So now we will draw a circle also anywhere you want of a diameter of 500 like that, and there is a coincidence too between this point and the circle. Let's do it like that and like this. There we go. And also there is a tangent constraint between this curve here and this curve here. So we use the tangent constraint between this circle and this circle. So like that. I should do it the opposites. This one and this one. Um, the small circle. 1 second. So the coincidence between this point and the circle, and after it's a tangent between the two circles, like that. And here we go. We start to see our shape, just we need to trim like this one and this one, and we don't need these two lines anymore. We don't need them. So now the sketch now is not fully defined. So to make it fully defined, we're gonna add a dimension of not the diameter but the location of the center of this circle to the origin. So and it's finished now. It's finished. We finished with the first path. We're gonna go now to the second path. We said that is it's perpendicular to this first one. So if this one is xy, the other one it will be xz. It's like a top plane. So we finish this one and we go to the origin and we choose this plane, this one. The first one is in the xy, and the second one it will be in xz, like that. We said that to connect, we have here, we have a line of 280. We're gonna draw only the half, which mean 140, and we have here this curve, this arc, who has a radius of 40, who will connect the first path to the second path. So there is no location also of this circle. We're gonna use the constraints. So we draw a circle. Let's project the geometry because we will need this line, the line of 35. If you remember the line of 35, we will need it. As you see here, we will need this line because it's gonna be tangent to the curve, to this curve that we're gonna draw now. So we draw a circle here who has 80, diameter 80, and who has a coincidence between this point and this point, and also has a tangent between circle and the small line like this. And after we will draw the line of 140. It's from here to here. It's one half. It's 140. 140. Everything is finished. We're gonna trim this. And we finish with the second path. Now we're gonna see our the path, all the path. It looks like that. So now we need the profile. The profile is a circle, and the rules said that the profile should be perpendicular to the path. So it's gonna be perpendicular to this. Any point you take here, you choose. If you choose here, if you choose in any point where you want to draw your circle, it should be perpendicular to this line. So the easy one for me, I see it's here. Let's do it from here. So we're gonna create a plan from this point. It's gonna be perpendicular to this line, like that. You can do it from here too, and it should be perpendicular, but the easy one is this one. So let's finish this and create a plan here from this point, like that. And let's zoom in to see what we did. And start sketch from this point here. It's a small circle of 25 millimeter, 25 diameter of 25. And we will go to use the sweep feature. So the sweep feature, the profile, we should here select the profile. So our profile is already selected. You understand that the profile is the circle, and the path you select from here and you choose your path. You choose the first one like that, and you can choose one by one like that, and we are finished. So now we will use the mirror. This is we're gonna choose the mirror plan. Is this one, and the solid is that one. The feature, solid, the mirror plan is that one, and the solid, like that. And there is our part. Let's make this plan invisible. And here we go.